AgDay Weather, brought to you by
Longer lasting protection, advanced plant health benefits, consistent performance, Preaxor fungicide for soybeans, and otherworldly fungicide.
Welcome back to Ag Day. Cindy, it's really good to be here after yesterday. I'm telling you, we got tons of snow, and some of it up to my waist.
Yeah, the drifting was insane yesterday, especially here in northern Indiana, but across a lot of the Great Lakes region and the Midwest in general.
Well, what about warming up now?
That good news on that front, because we are going to see some warmer temperatures, not for everybody, but for most of the folks that have been experiencing some really cold temperatures over the past couple of days. Let's take a look at the maps. We do have a system in the nation's midsection in the southern plains. That is eventually going to pull off to the northeast, bringing a little bit of snow with that as we get to parts of the Corn Belt. As we put that into motion, notice we could be seeing a little snow ahead of that, or at least on the north side of that stationary front. Parts of Illinois and Indiana and Ohio. Otherwise, we'll be seeing some high pressure in the upper Great Lakes and up towards Minnesota. But we're going to keep an eye on this. It doesn't make a ton of movement, and we'll have to watch for some snow, maybe even a little bit of freezing rain where you see the yellow, maybe some sleet. We'll have to watch that in parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas, things like that. We're going to be looking at some rain and upper elevation snow in the northwest, fairly quiet in the east, though we do see some rain coming down in Florida. Here's what it looks like tomorrow morning, and so this will be the area to watch for the nation's midsection. Again, we do have a chance for some ice in parts of anywhere from southern Missouri and through parts of Arkansas as well. Again, it all depends on exactly what that temperature is going to be. And as we head through the day on Thursday, a little more of the same. Chance for some snow a little further north towards the Great Lakes, some more rain for parts of Florida, and some rain and upper elevation snow in the northwest. Now, as far as precipitation estimates, well, it's going to be in the northwest, and then we'll start to see that blossoming here in the nation's midsection, especially right around that low pressure system as you get down towards Arkansas. And then as we look at to see who's getting the snowfall, well, the northwest is definitely going to see some, and we'll see a little bit in parts of the Corn Belt as well, and there you can see that low taking shape in parts of Missouri. Let's take a look at those temperatures. We're already going to be seeing improvement today for a lot of folks in the eastern part of the country. Still pretty cold, though, but as expected in Minnesota and North Dakota. Low temperatures in the overnight hours, still getting below zero up in Minneapolis, but we're seeing some great improvement in much of the eastern parts of the United States. Now, as we take a look at the jet stream or look at highs tomorrow, even better for most of the country. In fact, we're looking at 78 in Miami tomorrow. That would be the nice place to be. That's a look at your national forecast. Now let's check on some local cities. Cottage Grove, Oregon, breezy with rain today and a high of 48 degrees. Muskogee, Oklahoma, cooler with some freezing rain possible and a high of 35 degrees. Charlottesville, Virginia, mostly cloudy and warmer with a high of 34.